Bore da, croeso I gwasanaeth dalliad. Good morning and welcome to our celebration assembly. Let's find out who's made a great start to the new term and earn themselves a golden wristband by following the Windsor Clive Way. Starting in the nursery, and in the morning nursery, this week our two golden wristband winners are Elijah Crennan and Aisha Ali. And in the nursery afternoon session, Tanisha Ahmed and Eva Jean Shaw. Next, in reception, Miss Harries has chosen two children following the Windsor Clive Way all week long, Amber Agariloe and Olivia McNamara. In the other reception class, Mrs McLagan and Mrs Haggart have chosen Holly Rose Jeffries Matthews and Harlan Dawson for being ready, safe and respectful. Next, in Year 1 this week, Mrs Jonas and Mrs Lace have chosen two girls in their class, Paisley Stratford and Alexis Young. In Mrs Mogford's Year 1 class this week, she has chosen two superstars, Noah Golding and Lexi Duggan, for following the Windsor Clive Way all week. In Year 2, Mrs Lansing and Mrs Prothero have chosen two pupils who have gone above and beyond this week, Raelia Rose Sparks and Zane Hack. In our final foundation phase class this week, Mrs Thompson has chosen Evan Sully and Wayne Carey for always following the Windsor Clive Way and setting such good examples to the rest of the class. Well done to both boys. And now it's time for Key Stage 2. And in Year 3, Miss Reynolds has chosen Lexi Hill and Ruby Freeman for golden wristbands in her class this week. Mrs McDonald has chosen Jessie Bewick and Levi Giles in her class this week for going above and beyond. In our Year 4 class, Mrs Harris and Mrs Fancourt have decided to choose Jake Jeffries Matthews and Leah Marie Stone for being ready, safe and respectful all of the week. In Miss Harrod's Year 4 class, she has chosen Amelia Pring and Mahira Chowdhury for golden wristband and following the Windsor Clive Way this week. In Year 5, Miss Coslet has awarded her golden wristbands to Christopher Shizwalawa and Jessie Chen for being amazing children all of this week. In the other Year 5 class, staff have chosen Junior Allen and Leah Nago because they have been ready, safe and respectful during this week. Well done. Over in Year 6, and Mrs Mings has chosen Natalia Kerr and Vicky Chen because they have been following the Windsor Clive Way in Year 6 this week. And finally, in our last class of the week, Miss Cruz has chosen Sienna Brockway and Christopher Jones for being ready, safe and respectful during the first week back after half term. Congratulations to all of our golden wristband winners this week, and thank you to all the children for making our first week back after the holidays such a fun and successful time. Have a lovely Friday, everyone.